I think that what you're describing is actually a pretty natural feeling. Um, but at the same time, I think it also just kind of speaks to your team and the culture of the company that you might be working on. You can still be using like Stack Overflow or other snippets or whatever, as long as you have a good rationale for it. But I personally, in my teams, encourage us to be open about code. So it might be different for you and, your particular instance in the sense that there are people who are stronger coders out there than me. So I understand that I'm expressing my own preferences and my own bias. Maybe you're not to that level of comfort. Most of the time it's going to be like a take-home exam and all that nonsense. But if I've missed something in my reply, feel free to put in a follow-up. But I think that's the best advice I can give you. Just it depends on the culture of your team, and it also depends on your skills. The more you do it, the more comfortable you'll get.